What if I told you that you could make money even while you were sleeping? Sounds like a dream, right? But this is exactly what passive income is all about. Now don't get it wrong, this is not a get-rich-quick trick. It takes time and effort in the beginning, but later it can bring money with less daily work. In this video, I'll break down how beginners can start building passive income step by step, even with small money or no experience. Let's get started. Problem. Most people rely on one income, a job. The problem. If you stop working, the money stops too. That creates stress, pressure, and no freedom. And that's why many people feel stuck in the time for money cycle. Passive income helps break that cycle. But beginners often think, I need a lot of money to start, or I don't know anything about finance. The truth is you can start small and grow slowly. Section 1. Understand what passive income really means. Passive income is money you earn after setting up a system once. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. You still work in the beginning. You just don't keep working forever for every single dollar. Examples. Creating a digital product once and selling it many times. Investing money so it grows over time. Building content that keeps earning views. Section 2. Start with low-cost digital options. As a beginner, don't think about big investments. Start with digital options like blogging, a YouTube channel, selling simple digital files like notes, designs, templates. Why digital? Because it costs very little to start. For example, you can start a YouTube channel using just your phone. At first, you may not earn anything. But over time, videos can keep bringing views and income. Section 3. Small investing for long-term growth. Another way to build passive income is investing. Now don't worry, investing simply means putting your money somewhere so it can grow. This could be mutual funds, a group of investments managed by experts. X funds, a simple way to invest in the market. Even small amounts like $5 a month can grow over time. The key idea is consistency. But remember, investing has risks. Always start small and learn first. Section 4. Build a skill that works for you. This is one of the most powerful ways. Learn a skill that can be turned into passive income later. Examples. Writing, video editing, graphic design, coding. At first, you may work for clients, but later you can sell templates, create courses, build tools or digital products. So instead of trading time forever, your skill starts working for you. Section 5. Be patient and consistent. This is where most beginners fail. They expect fast results. But passive income takes time. Sometimes, 1 month equals no results. 3 months equals small progress. 1 year equals real income starts. The key is consistency, not speed. Even 1 to 2 hours per day can change your future if you stay consistent. Let's say someone starts a YouTube channel about simple finance tips. At first, 0 views, 0 income, but they keep posting helpful videos. After 6 months, videos start ranking. People discover the channel. After 1 year, old videos still get views daily. Ads start generating income automatically. Now, even if they don't upload every day, money still comes in. That's passive income in action. A passive income is built, not found. You need effort in the beginning. Start small, even with 0 experience. Digital platforms make it easier than ever. Consistency is more important than money. If you found this video helpful, don't just watch and leave. Take one small step today. Start learning a skill, open a YouTube channel, or explore investing basics. And if you want more simple finance guides like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because your journey to financial freedom starts with one small action. See you next video.